Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You're ready. Open camera and switch to video, then enable action mode. Do it now so stabilization works from the first frame. Hold the iPhone with both hands, tuck your elbows, or mount it on a gimbal. That reduces micro shake. Tap your subject to set focus and hold to lock exposure. This prevents sudden brightness shifts while you move. Once done, start recording with a firm, intentional push. Small, consistent steps will keep motion smooth and usable for editing. Now focus on composition and coordinated movement. Position your subject along thirds and favor a 16:9 framing for action scenes. Move with the subject, walk backward if following, pivot your hips for smooth pans, or track laterally to maintain consistent parallax. Make gradual speed changes. Abrupt acceleration stresses stabilization. Limit digital zoom and stick to 1x or optical zoom to preserve detail and keep the horizon level. These choices ensure you capture sharp, stabilized action that edits easily into dynamic sequences. Finish the take by slowing down before you stop, so the clip ends without a jolt. Immediately review footage at full resolution. Trim the first and last seconds to cut residual wobble. If footage still looks unstable, enable additional stabilization in your editor or plan a quick reshoot using a gimbal and replicate the same focus and movement. One troubleshooting tip: if action mode stutters, toggle airplane mode and restart camera to remove background processing. Then run the same controlled take again to compare results.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.